quite fitting we battle on off-topic Battleground.
I'm gonna win.
Maybe. You might actually.
I hate my life.
New cards? Random things. Oop, kitty mobile.
I'm using the bitty buggy.
The bitty buggy? I'll use these little hot... Oh my god, I'm a hot kitty.
I bet you are.
I'm a hot kitty.
I'm gonna use Boozer as my parachute.
I'm a hot kitty with a peach parasol.
I think you're gay.
Hot kitty. Shells only. I'm gonna have a shell of a time. And we'll do 5 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
Hard. All vehicles. Choose. Let's do random. Round count? Let's do 4.
Okay.
Start battle? Oh. Were you okay with all those settings?
No.
I'm guessing.
I want you to change that one.
Which one?
That one.
Mm-hmm.
Shells only?
Done.
No.
Shell.
I don't want shells only, is what I'm saying.
I feel like you said shells only.
Yeah, that's the one you need to change.
You want shells only? Ooh, I have yellow.
Because you're stupid.
Better get a good power up here.
I'm totally gonna win this race.
Dang it. You stole that from me. You stay away from me. Crap! Well. Wow. Precision. God dang it, Cam.
Let's do shells only, he said.
I was wondering why I was getting so many shells.
Did you forget?
Yeah, I did actually. I'm having the time of my life.
Oh my god!
Oh, Shell City.
I hate them.
You know, I felt like... God dang it. Boop, boop, boop. Backing up in my cat car. Backing up so I can get a little box.
I'm gonna find you.
Hey, Peach. Don't find me. Dang it. Woo!
I'm super scared right now.
I'm not scared.
Oh my god, Dwayne Turbo Souls are going everywhere.
Woo! Whoa, my god. Dang it! Peach could have taken me out. No,
oh my god.
No! You got a red shell, nice. No! Shy Guy! I have 0 balloons. At least you're actually doing something in life.
Okay, so I'm not sure where that went, but I'm assuming it's gonna go and hit somebody. Nah. This buggy is great.
Is it?
Nope.
Cat car's not too bad. It's not as fast as I like. I like my cats fast.
Do you?
I like my cats. My cat's hard.
Do you?
I like my cats.
No!
Oh, sad. Wow, Baby Luigi wrecked us. No one wins! Woo! Yet.
It's probably because we're doing 4 rounds.
What do you mean?
That's when, after the 4th round is when the winner's determined. Stupid.
And Baby Luigi already has 6 times my score.
Chris, 6 times 0 is still 0.
I hate you so much.
Oh my god, Baby Luigi just came for me.
Did you come for him?
Oh yeah.
God dang it, Peach! Why did I set them all on hard and put on shells? God! I'm gonna be out in like 2 seconds!
I hope so.
No!
Screen hopper.
What are you talking about? That was Luigi. Oh, you're behind me! I really did not know. I was passing Luigi and I thought you were him. Get over here. Get over here.
You
Don't punch things. I said
Stop
both
targeting
of us.
me.
You're coming after me, bro.
No, get away from me.
Then stop following me. You're lucky he was right in front of me. Oh! Cam! God! At least you got 2. I think we're tied now. Yeah! Woo!
Oh, good.
There are 4 7s. Good God.
You're welcome.
That round took significantly less time. Cam? Mario's fun.
No, it's not.
Dang it, I like it when I take them both.
Wow.
I'm greedy. Dang it. Woo! Stay away from me, green shells. Dang it. Did we hit each other?
Yeah.
Was that you?
Yep.
Nice.
I saw you coming. I saw your stupid yellow shells.
Yellow shells?
Balloons.
You're an idiot. Oh, hit that person. I like how it still scrolls through other items, but you can only get shells.
Wow.
What?
My shell just hit my shell.
That's a shell of a good time, right? I'm gonna take out this chick because I hate her.
Wow. Yeah, it's a little morbid to see a Koopa Troopa participating in these games.
What are you talking about? God! Hop off!
Bro?
Freaking A, bro. Don't say bro.
Bro?
Makes me say bro. Are you hopping?
No.
Looked like you were hopping.
I was not hopping, bro. Did you get stupid?
Wait, you still have 2 balloons?
Yeah.
What the heck, bro?
Sorry, bro.
I'ma get you. Woo!
I hate you.
Cam, I'm pretty cool. I love the flicking motion of your wrist as you throw away your controller in disgust. It makes my day. Red shells are very, like, non-existent. And then I get almost hit with a red shell. Well,
No, keep talking about them red shells.
yeah, I know, right? Oh, you want one? All of my freaky friends. Sorry, sorry.
I'm gonna find it.
You son of a bitch!
Oops.
God!
I tripped.
Oh. I've got your place of 5th. You are mean.
You deserve
That was
everything
mean.
You deserve everything
That was
you
so
got.
mean. God. Cam. I'm gonna cry.
Good.
Oh, Toadster.
I thrive on your
Well,
tears.
we start out, we lose. Dude, that was super mean.
Good.
I can't get over how mean that was. I'm gonna hunt you now.
I'm on the hunt, I'm after you.
And I'm hungry like the wolf.
Copyright.
Yeah, probably. Hey, can't sue, there's no... Woo! Hey, it's your face.
Yes.
Did you just try to bark in front of that?
No.
Dang it. Woo! Hey! Where'd you go?
Get away from me.
No, you were just literally trying to kill me.
So?
I'm...
Doesn't mean you can't be the better man.
Wow, my shell went right for you. I'm always the better man. Nice. Expert timing. You screen hopping son of a biscuit. You knew I was exactly coming right here, didn't you?
No, I just assumed that you would.
Good thing I popped your turtle shell and then hit you with mine! Stay away. Please don't hurt my butt.
Oh, wait. No. Wait. Were you saying something? Oh, come on!
Oh, I can't hear you over that truck on top of you. Got him. Oh, man. At least you hit your shell. I was really hoping that was going to take your life. A random turtle shell throw.
Whoa! 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 This is retarded! I hate the freaking green shells. They're garbage. They only the red turtle shells should target. But instead, they're like, no, let's just have every turtle shell target regardless of what it's supposed to be.
It doesn't really target, though.
Yes, it does. It totally does.
Dude, I got you. Random shell throw. Dang it! He got me right back. Oh.
I'm upset.
I wonder what the audio sounds like. Oh, we were hit by earthquake.
Next time.
No.
Next time.
No.
Next time.
No.
Next.
No. Chris wins! Out of us two, I do.
Baby Luigi wins.
Oh, baby Luigi.
Next time, we do it on easier difficulty.
Whatever you say, Cam. Whatever you...
Boom! You bastard!